As a Christian, the main reason why we enter into church is to listen to the word of God. And if you're a pastor, God has been so good to you, you have a big ministry, you have to know certain things that you say in church and outside the church, whether you're in your social media platform or whether you are in church, because your words give people hope, your words give people encouragement, your words inspire people to do their best for their own self. So if you're a pastor, you are playing a very important role in people's life. So you have to know how to talk. Don't just be talking anyhow. I'm going to show you a video of Prophet Uebert son, the junior. He was talking about how to make money and the statement that he made. Let's watch the video and listen to what he said.
Money doesn't come to nice people. That's why drug dealers have it. Facebook, one of the biggest brands on the planet. Everyone from your teenage nephew to your grandmother probably has a Facebook profile. But did you know the company was not started by Mark Zuckerberg and was a stolen idea from the Winklevoss brothers? Ray Kroc is a household name for being the founder of McDonald's. But did you know that he stole the company from the two McDonald's brothers? If you want to be rich, do whatever it takes. Early mornings, late nights, get in the mud, get your hands dirty. Do whatever it takes. Money doesn't come to nice.
I know it's a shocking video from what Prophet Uebert Jr. said. I'm going to share my opinion very quickly and add up to what he said. He said money does not come to nice people, and he mentioned a lot of people's names. I totally don't agree with him, because we have people who have honestly worked in which they've made it in life. Him saying that if you want to be rich, do anything to be rich, this statement is very nonsensical to me. Because how can a prophet of God, son, in which you are also coming to become a prophet, look at what you are saying. So it's the generation in which you are going to lead them, going to live a better life. It's very shocking that he's making this statement. He said he can do anything for you to make money. This statement in which he has made is going to let a lot of social vices in our community be very rampant. That's maybe pickpocketing, that's maybe fraud, that's maybe prostitution. How can a pastor say this kind of words? If you're a pastor, you don't have anything to say on your social media platforms, please let people handle it for you, and let people listen to what you are about to post on your social media handles, or what you will be writing on the social media handles, because a lot of people are watching you and a lot of people are learning from you. So if you make this statement, are you trying to build up a better generation? It's very, very shocking. I'm very sad. You can also share your opinion on what you think about what Prophet Uebert Jr. said on the video you just watched. God richly bless you, and make sure you find an honest work to do. See you in another video.